Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to welcome you to my lab, i.e. my kitchen. Today, the experiment is going to be about how oil is removed from water. And the oil is removed from the water because sometimes there are oil spills in different places. And you have to go about different methods of getting those oil spills to have a better impact on the environment. Therefore, taking the oil away, making the environment safe. Again, so what we're going to do is we're going to use cotton balls, and this is what I like to call my skimmer. This is going to represent my skimmer, which is the thing that removes, soaks up the oil. Also, we're going to have this CD right here is going to be my boom. So this is going to take this and wring out that, and it's going to remove the oil. And right here you can see in this jar, it's a thin layer at the top, and the thin layer at the top right here represents the oil, and the tap water from over there represents the ocean. Now, as I do this experiment, I want you to watch closely because sometimes you can get a little bit lost. So as you can see, I have added the cotton ball, which represents my skimmer, into the solution of vegetable oil and water. Now, as you can see, the cotton ball will be soaking up the oil. And as the oil is soaked up, the cotton ball will become heavier. And then once that happens, we will move along to step 2. Now, the cotton ball has been soaking for a while. So as you can see, it's dilated a bit more to the bottom, which is a good sign. Now we're going to remove the cotton ball. We're going to put it into our simulated skimmer, and we're going to see how much oil comes from the cotton ball into this next jar over here. So as we can see, we move the cotton over here to over here. You can see all the oil that is currently trying to run off the disc. So we're going to take this and we're going to see how much of the oil came out from the bottom. And as you can see from right here, it's not as much left as it previously was. Now that we have some better light, we're going to watch this just run off. Now this is the portion where we move this piece right here through the skimmer. We can see as the oil moves itself around the disc as we run off more and more of the oil. As you can see, we've progressed quite a bit now. Now, as you can see, we have oil in one, which is some that came off. And we have less oil in the solution that had both. And you could tell by the murky color in this one that this was the amount that was over here, which was about right here. And of course, it's suffice to say that this process has become automated because it takes forever to do it manually. But this expresses the point in the importance that an oil spill would have on an environment.